Hello. Today we are going to solve the question number 21 of IIT JAM Mathematics 2019. In this question we are given the solutions, that is x, x plus e to the power x and 1 plus x plus e to the power x of a second order ordinary differential equation with constant coefficients. If yx is the solution of the same equation satisfying y0 equals to 3 and y prime 0 is equals to 4, then what will be the value of y1? We need to find. And here we are given 4 options and we need to take the correct one. Let a linear second order ordinary differential equation with constant coefficient is a y double prime plus b y prime plus c is equals to fx. Okay. Now the general solution is yx is equals to c1 e to the power alpha x plus c2 e to the power beta x plus px. Okay. Now given that x, x plus e to the power x and 1 plus x plus e to the power x be the solution of the given equation. Okay. Therefore we can say that p of x is equals to x, y1 is equals to 1 is equals to the power 0x and y2 is equals to x equals to e to the power x. Okay. Then we can write that yx is equals to c1 plus c2 e to the power x plus x. Now y naught is equals to 3, it is given. Therefore if we put the value of x which is equals to 0 in this equation, we get c1 plus c2 is equals to 3. Okay. And differentiate the equation 1 with respect to x, we get y prime x is equals to c2 e to the power x plus 1. Okay. Now y prime 0 is equals to 4. Therefore we can write that c2 plus 1 is equals to 4. Therefore c2 is equals to 3. Now if we substitute the value of c2 in this equation 2, we get C1 plus 3 is equals to 3. Therefore, C1 is equals to 0. Okay. Hence, yx is equals to 0 plus 3 to the power x plus x. Therefore, yx is equals to 3 to the power x plus x. Now, the value of y1 will be 3e plus 1. Okay. Therefore, the correct answer is the option D. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.